Now let's do question 6. And it says, if 50% of the students in your class are men and 20% of the men have blonde hair, does it follow that 50% times 20% equals 10% of the students in your class have blonde hair? Well, 50% is the same as 0.5 times 20% is the same as 0.2, and when you multiply those out, you do get 0.10, which implies that 10% of the students in your class are men with blonde hair. Now, number 7, very important. The structure of this equation. You want to use this, very handy. Over and over again, it'll show up on a test. So if 351 women at a conference comprise 45% of the conference, how many people are at the conference? Well, that means that 45% or 0.45 times what number equals 351. So this what number is the total number of people at the conference, and 45% of them are women. Now if we divide both sides by 0.45, we get 351 WN equals, what number equals 351 divided by 0.45? And that quotient turns out to be the total number of people at the conference is 780. Okay, let's do 8. And 8 says, the after-tax price of a chair is $45.56. If 6% sales tax was charged, what would the list price be for the chair? Well, let me go over this in a little better manner than I did a previous problem. When you pay sales tax, for example, you pay for the price of the item plus you pay whatever the rate is for the sales tax times that price, which equals, if you factor a P out of each term, you get 1 plus R. So, for example, if you've got a price plus 6% sales tax, 0.06, times that price, and factor a P out, you get times 1 plus 0.06, which is 1.06 times the price. Okay? And that, we did a problem where question 5, I used that idea, but I didn't explain it, so this is the explanation. Now, what's going on here is we've got a 6% sales tax, so we're going to pay, and the price 1.06 times, and I'll put P equals, and we don't know what P is, $45.56. So now if we divide both sides by 1.06, we get 45.56 divided by 1.06, and that equals, that price is $42.98, $2.98. So let's do a little more of this. What if you had a 2% sales tax? Then you'd multiply by P by 1.02. See, what if you had an 8% sales tax? You'd multiply P times 1.08. You see, you just add the the decimal form of the percent to 1 and multiply the price by whatever it is to get your the cost of the item after the sales tax. So